even need 2 minutes. I'm being generous with that. You shouldn't need those 2 minutes. If you do, I don't know what to tell you.
On what pages?
Same page that you were supposed to be on. 96, 97. Super easy. Once you see it, you'll be like, what? Yeah. I'm not in the mood. Great, you were already done. Oh, the word mortified is like, oh my gosh, I can't believe that. I'm so, what? How dare you? All right, I don't think we even need to keep doing this because I see that people are done. So let's end it here. Go ahead and swap. Person next to you, swap, 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 swap. Make a three-way thing. Three. Great. All right. Number 1 says, what was the name of the poem that Montag reads to Mildred and her friends? Get ready. Why are we putting in the weird now when we answer multiple choice questions? It says, go.
Say no.
Yeah, because I don't know. Excellent. If you have 2, the sea of faith, you are correct. If you didn't get it right, I mean it was literally right there in the good, it's over there. You could have figured it out. Great. Number 2. So give them a check if they got that right, give them an X if they got it wrong. Number 2. How does the woman react to Montag reading the poem? Ready, set, go. Excellent. If you have C or 3 on your fingers, you are correct. Give them a check. If they got 2 of them right, it's a 2 out of 2. 1 right, it's a 1 out of 2. None right, 0 out of 2. And say, bro, what you doing? Yeah, they got a 0 out of 2, they deserve a bro. What you doing?
Bro, what you
And just do a WYD. Swap it back, flip paper over. Swap it back, flip your paper over. Somebody read for me what the exit ticket question says. Somebody read for me what the exit ticket question says. Erica. Attack the prompt. So, nice job. Nathaniel getting started. Deshaun, Erica, Liana. Love it. Attack the prompt. We're circling keywords that are going to help us just how we're going to be teaching today. How we're going to be learning about the poem today. They're circled just for keywords. Keywords you want to focus on in that question. What we got? What do you hear? Shout out, let's go with Aiden. How? Question. How do we answer how questions? Did we say because?
No.
How do we answer how questions, Nathaniel?
You say why?
By. Great, so we have how. What else do we focus on? Nate? Sea of faith. That's one of the texts that we're going to be looking at. What else? Erica? Relate, which means what? What does relate mean? If I'm relating to you, what am I doing? Comparing or what's similar. Excellent. Those are the only things that we're focused on. Sea of faith. I mean, you could also have said Fahrenheit because we also want to see how the Sea of Faith is similar to Fahrenheit or the world of the Sea of Faith. It's similar to Fahrenheit. Those are the key things. Now I'm supposed to. Great. Listen closely. You have to listen up so closely that your eyes should move to wherever I move. Because what I'm about to tell you next is super important. Now I'm over here. So if you're not looking at me, if you're writing something for some reason, you're not following the direction. Your eyes should be on me, no matter where I go. Okay. Today, I have to make some adjustments to how we're going to learn. Because I said, you know what? I like this class. I like this class a lot. And I gave you guys this homework assignment on purpose because I knew it was going to be difficult. But I knew a lot of us were going to try it anyway. And because I already knew that, I think you guys can handle this challenge today. This is actually college level stuff. This poem is super like college level. I can guarantee you if we were to go into a hallway right now and we asked some teachers, some fellows to come in and read and tell us what this poem is about, they wouldn't be able to tell us. That's how advanced this is. And you guys are going to break this poem down and we're going to understand it together. That's how important this is. We're going to be college level students today. Like, so I'm your professor, hello. You guys are now 18, now you're adults. So now you guys are going to be doing most of the work. You guys are going to be having discussions. You guys are going to lead my class for me because as a professor, I don't do anything but sit down and get paid. You guys are going to tell me what you think. So a lot of this class today is going to be about you guys doing the hard work. But don't worry, I'll be there with you every Sunday. This poem is college level, but it doesn't mean that it's impossible. Our author, Ray Bradbury, put this poem in this book for a very specific reason. He could have picked any poem that he wanted to. He could have put a Dr. Seuss poem here. He could have said red fish, blue fish, one fish, two fish. If you wanted Monica to just read to them, he could have picked anything. He could have put some Drake lyrics in there. No, Ray Bradbury chose the Sea of Faith for a very specific reason, and it's up to us to figure out why. Also, the reaction after Montag reads this poem, the women or Miss Phelps starts to cry. And we want to know what's in this poem made her cry. Like, why did she cry based off of this poem? There has to be something in there that touched her, that made her want to cry. So we have to figure that out. It's going to be hard, I'm not even going to lie. We're going to struggle a little bit. You're going to get frustrated at times. But in advance, appreciating the work that you guys are about to use. In advance, because I know you guys can do it. I wouldn't give you a challenge that I don't think you can. But because, like I said, I like this class sometimes. Sometimes I get on my nerves. Oh my gosh. But I think you can handle it, so we're going to be college students today. So you will address me as professor.
Professor, ma'am.
Professor, just professor. I would be like, you call me by my first name because that's what you're going to do in college, but you're not calling me by my first name. And I'm not going to tell you. Professor will do. I get it out. You can say Professor J, okay? Well, I'll let you say J. No, J. You drive it now. Say no. I didn't want to say PJ. Oh, I like PJ. I don't know what PJ. Oh, Professor. Oh, I like that. Okay, PJ works. All right, that's what we're calling today. We are no longer grade ups. We are in a university setting. We are going to be looking at this poem in depth all day today. There's no extra ticket. I wanted you to see this extra ticket though, because you're going to do this tomorrow. This is a two-part lesson. I had to change stuff around. I was like, no, I need them to understand this. I can't just move on. I want them to know what this poem is about. Ain't no dummies here. Period. We're not dumb. We're smart. Smartest kids in New York. Let's not even play. Period. Okay, so here's the deal. I printed out the poem for you guys on another separate sheet of paper. I'm about to pass it out. You guys are going to just write your name at the top because I will be collecting this at the end. So that you guys will have it for tomorrow. So once you get it, just put your name on it. Sucks for the people who aren't here.
Wait, what are they going to do?
I just have to go work.
Okay.
Just with them, not with you guys. Because this is college level and you guys are gonna do the hard work, I will give you one hint though. One hint that's gonna inform how we think about this poem. The author who wrote this, his name is Matthew Arnold, and he actually wrote this for his new wife. He recently got married and they were on their honeymoon, and he decided to write her a poem. And this is the poem that he wrote. And he wrote it near a beach as he was looking into the sea. And he was watching the waves and the ocean, and he just got some inspiration to write this poem. So he wrote this for his wife. So when we're analyzing it, I want us to think about it through his eyes. What is he trying to get his wife to understand? And this is how we're going to do it. We're going to look at this poem literally, figuratively, and then tomorrow we're going to look at it in comparison to Fahrenheit. So today we'll just focus on the poem. So everything we talk about today is only about the CFA, nothing about Fahrenheit today. Just this poem. I'll read it first. As I'm reading, I need you guys to give me a solid. You will circle any vocabulary words that you are confused about or you don't know. And then you will also write a question mark next to anything you have a question about. So what does he mean by this? Why did he use this word? What does this relate to? Why is this here? How does this happen? Things like that. You're going to just write a question mark. Not the question, just literally a question mark. As I'm reading. So as you see every pencil moving as I'm reading. Because if there are no question marks, that means that you know what this means. And I don't think you know what it means yet. So let's get started. The seed of faith was once too at the full and round earth's shore, lay like the folds of a bright girdle furled. But now I only hear its melancholy, long withdrawing roar, retreating to the breath of the night wind down the vast edges drear, and naked shingles of the world. Ah, love, let us be true to one another, for the world which seems to lie before us like a land of dreams, so various, so beautiful, so new, hath really neither joy nor love, nor light, nor certitude, nor peace, nor hope for pain, and we are here, as on a darkling plain, swept with confused alarms of struggle and flight, where ignorant armies clash by night. Part 2 of this is going to be to do the following. People should have circled any vocab words they don't know, put a question next to something they want to know more about. What does that mean? Why did the author include this? What is he trying to say? What is he referring to? Write out your questions. Write out the full questions. I will say this in advance right now. You should have at least a minimum of 4 questions on this paper. Because if there is no question, that means you understand this poem, and I know we don't understand this poem. I didn't even understand this poem until like the 10th time I read it. 4 questions at the very least, and 2 of them have to be how or why questions. There's no such thing as a bad question. I just want to get that out. No one can ever put down a bad question. But we're in college now, so how or why questions are college level questions.